Volcanoes. They can happen anywhere, anytime, and cause a whole lot of damage. But there are still some big questions about them. So today I will be explaining everything you need to know about a volcano. Inside Earth, heat and pressure causes rock to melt and turn into magma. The magma of a volcano starts below the surface. The magma rises to the surface and erupts as lava and volcanic rocks, as shown in the next clip. After the lava erupts, it cools quickly to form layers of lava. After the process of eruption is finished, this is what we see when touring a volcano. But why does a volcano erupt? A volcano erupts because as the pressure builds up in the magma chamber, the old magma gets pushed out of the volcano. As you can see, the magma in the chamber is filled up all the way, causing pressure. Because of pressure, the lava is forced out of the volcano. This is why a volcano erupts. Now that we have discussed how and why a volcano erupts, let's discuss what volcanoes to avoid when traveling/touring. Number 1. Mount Pelée. Mount Pelée is one of the most deadly volcanoes in the world, causing more than 30,000 deaths. This volcano is located on the Caribbean island of Martinique. Number 2. The Krakatoa volcano. The Krakatoa is another one of the most deadliest volcanoes, causing more than 30,000 deaths. It is located in Indonesia. Number 3. Mount Tambora. Finally, the deadliest volcano in the world is Mount Tambora. It has caused over 71,000 deaths throughout its time on Earth, leading in the most deaths a volcano has ever caused. It is located on the northern coast of Sumbawa Island, Indonesia. Now that we have discussed how and why a volcano erupts, and what volcanoes to avoid when traveling/touring, let's discuss if a volcano can be prevented. The short answer to this question would be volcanoes cannot be prevented. Until magma stops reproducing, volcanoes can happen at any given time. Now that we know a volcano cannot be prevented, let's discuss what we can do to stay safe around a volcano when touring or traveling. First, make sure to wear long clothing such as long pants or long shirts. This will protect yourself from any splashes of lava that come out of the volcano. Although usually unnecessary, in some cases your tour guide may give you a mask of some sort to protect you from the fumes of a volcano. Now let's talk about some hazards to look out for when touring a volcano. Some hazards to look out for while near a volcano are volcanic gas, lava flows, ballistic projectiles, which are rocks spewed out of a volcano when erupted, and temperature. Now that we have talked about volcano safety, let's discuss what effects volcanoes can have over Earth's climate. The gases and dust particles thrown into the atmosphere during volcanic eruptions have a large impact on the Earth's climate over time. Most particles spewed from volcanoes cool the planet by shading incoming solar radiation throughout the Earth, which can last for months to years. Volcanoes have also caused global warming for over millions of years at times. This is also when extreme amounts of volcanism occur. You may be asking what volcanism is. Volcanism is the eruption of molten rocks for a longer period of time than usual. This presentation was a great experience and a lot of fun to work on. I have always enjoyed learning about volcanoes and how they work. Now that we have discussed how and why a volcano erupts, what volcanoes to avoid when touring, if a volcano can be prevented, safety measurements to take around a volcano, and the effects a volcano can have over Earth's climate over time, I am done with my presentation. Thank you for watching. I also hope you learned one thing from my presentation today. Once again, thank you for watching.